Application of 3-bond adhesive silicone on Furuno Radars. During installation or maintenance of Furuno radar systems, it's critical to properly apply the provided 3-bond adhesive silicone to specific areas. Failure to follow this procedure will allow water ingress, causing internal damage to sensitive components and potentially causing catastrophic gearbox failure, which will require full replacement. Apply the silicone thoroughly and carefully to the following 3 areas: the seam between the cradle and the array, all external seams between the array and the cradle, specifically non-moving seams such as areas without grease. Silicone application here must ensure water cannot enter or collect, similar to applying grout in a bathroom. All bolts securing the array to the cradle, as well as any bolts or surfaces with exposed or bare metal. Coat all bolt threads and external bare metal surfaces completely, creating a waterproof barrier resistant to spray, rain, mist, ice, and all other precipitation. Ensure moisture cannot penetrate internal gearbox or array spaces. When installing or performing maintenance that involves the removal, installation, or replacement of bolts or the array itself, you must verify that the appropriate silicone adhesive is fully and correctly applied. 3-bond adhesive silicone, part number 000158483, is supplied with each radar array. Thank you for watching.